You want to make money without doing anything. I hate to tell you this, but you're not actually making money. Instead, you're losing out on much better chances. Everyone in this place aspires to become wealthy and advance financially. However, you become sidetracked by the glittering world in front of you and merely want to indulge in its pleasures rather than genuinely comprehending what generates prosperity. Everyone in this place is dealing with a complicated web of financial difficulties, including those within their families, with parents, friends, and relatives. We look in a variety of directions in an effort to discover our own home. As a result, we frequently suffer and do things we don't fully comprehend. We begin to pursue rapid advancement and large riches, which can be extremely risky. Expecting outcomes without first understanding anything is the biggest error people make. Whatever appears to give the greatest profit is what they pursue. People invest in the stock market because they believe it to be high profit. The stock market is risky even if it can yield large profits. Speak with those who are genuinely wealthy, and your perspective on money will drastically shift. Many of us, especially those who joined the stock market without the necessary education, have attempted several different approaches to make money and failed. According to research reports, the majority of those who have lost money are those who did not properly educate themselves before becoming involved. As we've already seen, the issue is that we don't take the time to understand the procedures or strategies involved in obtaining money. Instead, we just demand money. We don't take the time to thoroughly understand how money is made. Instead, we go after more money. Because of this, we frequently make poor decisions in our quest for greater income because we are seduced by claims of high profits. This is a business strategy, but it's only an illusion if you look closely. Even though our initial goal was to make money, we ultimately lose more money than we make. Your financial condition would worsen if you engage in such activities without sufficient knowledge. You'll need a lot of time to heal, and you might even lose interest in trying again. The underlying reason for all of this is straightforward. We don't fully understand anything before doing. Thus, learn how to make money before attempting to make it. No matter where you are, be careful to research and comprehend the investment before making it. Wealth can be earned and created by everyone, but only those who learn the correct, disciplined, and appropriate techniques and who persistently attempt will be successful. Every successful person travels with a certain objective in mind. For instance, you can learn by watching YouTube, but in order to actually make money, you also need to be prepared to devote your time, knowledge, and energy to the process.